Hi, welcome to tip number 14. On this one, I'm going to shave my T-nuts. Now, I'd imagine a fair few of the people watching this have got one of these cheap Chinese sets of clamping bits. What I've found is that these T-nuts are too big, well, at least for my mill anyway. The height here is too high, and the top of the T-nut protrudes above the level of the table. So there are occasions when you're clamping something, you start clamping up against the T-nut rather than the table, and your clamping isn't secure. Now, I've fixed that on a few of them by hand filing them, usually because I'm in the middle of a setup and I don't want to strip it down and machine them. So the tip for today is to skim your T-nuts so that they're sub-flush with the table. Now, if there's a good reason why they're made like this, because there might be, I don't know, let us know in the comments. Now, I don't think I can get this very well directly, so I will show you with this step block. When I pull it up, as you can see, so what we need to do is take off the excess on here, which isn't a huge amount. It's probably 2mm, if that. Okay, I'm using a carbide insert end mill on this just because the metal is hard, horrible stuff. These are very good for cutting unknown steel. So yeah, let the nut shaving begin. Right, so one skim nut. I've also run a tap through the thread because obviously there's some burrs in there, and just dressed the edges with a file. So that's now hopefully ready to use. Let's just do the same test, see if it upsets the step block. Still a bit tight. Might have to run a tap through that again. There we are. That's now nice and clear. That can move cleanly underneath without disturbing it. So there we are. Got another two to do. Won't take long, and it'll mean that I'm in a good position next time I need all my nuts on the table. Thanks for watching.